Hello everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku. It's a Tectonic with 3 stars. In this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 29th, 2020. Yes, a 3 stars Tectonic, the last one. And this will be number 1648. Yes. So let's get started. Can we see here a single box? I cannot find any single boxes. Triple box, quadra box, duo box. Alright. So let's get started. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Triple box. 1 is already filled in, so the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 3. We have a 1 here, that means these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Then yeah. 1, 2, 3. Let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 2, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 1. The 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's up here. That means this box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. Wait. Let me do the 4. This box cannot be a 4. Those two boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2. Should be a 3, cannot be a 4, and cannot be a 5. Yes, it's definitely a 3. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them, the 1 and the 2. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 3 boxes. So this should be a 2. And this should be a 1. Now we have a 2 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means if I have a 2 here in one of those 2 boxes, I cannot place a 2 there. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here or could be there. That means this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Should be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 goes in those 2 boxes together as a pair with the 1. That means these 2 boxes we serve for the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. That means we have a 2 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 should be the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be the 1. 2 boxes left here, the 1 and the 5. I cannot place the 1 here because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. The 5 goes here. That means these 4 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2 here. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Should be a 4 because it can also not be a 5 here. 5. So it's a 4. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Dual box, the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. That means these 2 boxes can be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it's definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes, wait, this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4 and cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Dual box, the 1 and the 2. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes, wait. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Well, we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. It definitely a 5. The 2 and the 4 are left. I cannot place a 2 here because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 should be here and the 4 goes here. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 1. This box should be a 5. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, definitely a 5. The 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Oh, right. Quicker than the previous Tectonic. Yeah. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now. Have a great day.